Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X5 rear brake pads using an easy method. Before starting, always prioritize safety by securing your vehicle with jack stands and wheel chocks. If your X5 has air suspension, remember to disable it to prevent any unexpected lowering. Gather your essential tools, including a floor jack, a lug wrench, and a brake caliper piston tool. Ensure the engine is off and the parking brake is disengaged for a safe working environment. Once your vehicle is safely supported, remove the rear wheel to expose the brake assembly. Next, locate the brake pad wear sensor, typically found on the inner brake pad. Carefully disconnect and remove the old sensor. It often just pulls out. Then, using a 7mm hex bit, remove the two guide pins that hold the brake caliper in place. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor and hang it securely with a caliper hanger or strong wire, ensuring no strain is put on the brake hose. Now it is time to prepare for the new pads. Use a brake caliper piston tool to retract the caliper piston fully into its bore. This step is crucial for fitting the thicker new pads. Apply a thin, even coat of anti-squeal paste to the metal backing plates of your new brake pads, avoiding the friction material. Install the new pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they are correctly oriented. Finally, connect the new brake pad wear sensor to the designated slot on the inner pad. With the new pads in place, carefully reinstall the brake caliper over the rotor and pads. Tighten the two guide pins to 35 Nm. Route the new wear sensor wire along its original path and connect it to its electrical box, usually located behind the wheel well liner. Reinstall the wheel and lower your BMW X5 safely to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm to restore proper brake pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.